of changed behavior when you're not going to therapy, you're not going to meetings, you know, you're not there. I can't expect this big life change out of you before you've had any of these resources. So you went down to test. My understanding is you dropped the cup, and you're to wait. There was an individual that came into the court, and there was some sort of argument with the car. And then we had a bunch of people, well, at least two, come into the court that were out in the parking lot, very concerned about you because they saw this man punching you in your head in the court parking lot. We had citizens, normal humans, not my court officers, not people, just not people that work here, random citizens coming in saying that guy's out there beating her in that car. So I know you seem to think you have your life together, JC.
This has never happened, Your Honor.
JC, you do.
I don't
just
surround
listen to me.
I don't like people like that.
Listen, he's a bad man.
No shit, but I didn't know that.
Listen to me.
I trusted him.
Well, now we know better. JC, you're in your 30s. You don't have your kids. You're stripping. You're living in a hotel. You got a boyfriend who's married and beats you and wide in the open. I know you think your life is going well. Your life is in shambles. I have not had anybody come in to this program that is in such a dire circumstance as you are. I haven't, not one. It just breaks my heart. It makes me sad. I think you're defiant, and that's fine. But
I've asked for help years ago.
Well, now is your chance. And we're going to throw so much at you, JC. You can change your life. I have people in this program where their drug of choice was fentanyl. They see their kid again. And not because mom lets them once in a while. They see their kid again because they've gone to court and had some rights reestablished. You can do that. You're a baby still. You really are. 31. I'm 46, almost 47. Like, you have over half your life left to fix all this, but this is a mess, a disaster, a complete and utter disaster. So I'm going to modify your bond. I'm not putting you in jail. I don't think it's going to do you any good. You're going to go stay at Sandy's. You have a personal bond with a GPS tether. Sandy, she needs to come up we'll get her on the tether tomorrow. All right, we need to get her up here tomorrow. Can you make that happen?
Anytime in particular?
And ma'am, can you just stand up and say your name for the record? No, not you. Sandy. I know who you are, but so the record's clear.
Sandy Carnes from Stanford House.
All right. Sandy runs homes for women in recovery. They work. I have other participants that are there now.
I just don't like being around people.
Well, I get that. I don't like that. I wouldn't want to really live in a sorority house full of women in recovery either. I'm not going to lie. But it's better than living at a hotel with some dude who beats you. Yeah, it is.
Beat me. This happened one time yesterday.
How many times does it have to happen? JC, okay, so he's been
verbally. He was going to do that.
JC,
I don't know what
he's been verbally abusing you for how long?
Long time.
Yeah, so you're in a domestic violence situation.
He pays all my fines off for me. So
that's great. Is it worth your face? Is it worth your life?
I didn't think he would ever feel like that.
All right, well, now we know he is.
Now he's not allowed there.
Yeah.
But I still pay my rent. I still cook, I clean, I take care of my cats. I see my kids on a regular basis. I talk to my family every day. I have no problems other than money.
No, you got a lot of problems. Jace, you gonna test Pete clean right now for me?
Yeah. I haven't done anything. I haven't had a single craving until you put me in this program. That's why I feel like it's pushing me backwards, because it's putting me onto all of this stuff.
Jason,
I just got away
5 criminal conviconvictions.
I
Plus
don't
a bunch
know
of
I
ones
have that
pending.
many, but I
So and
a
these
lot of them's traffic. I would assume.
No. They're not. You don't have to assume, because I have your right.
I don't know, man. There's
all right. Well, I know, JC, because I have it. I have it, JC. So we can look. Listen, you have all these cases pending. This idea that you've somehow changed, you are delusional. Listen to me. You are living in a delusion. You live in a fantasy world where your life is okay. Your life is a mess. A mess. listen to me. JC, you currently have 2 theft cases pending. These are your
I know, I'm
pending.
trying to take
2 in what, I'm talking. 2 in Westland. Oh, you do have a traffic one in Westland. You got a controlled substance case in Dearborn that's pending. You're on felony probation in Oakland.
Yes.
Okay, your life is a disaster. And the minute you start to recognize that and you try and take advantage of this, I am trying to save your life. Whether you like it or not.
Okay, I didn't think I was doing that bad.
You're doing terribly right now, Jason. And it's, some of it's you and some of it's not you.
I am independent. I don't like being told what to do when I know what to do.
No, you don't know what to do.
Understand. I
JC,
know what to do.
JC, listen to me. You have been in control of your life for 31 years.
I haven't.
You are averaging, if you started getting a criminal conviction at 18, you are averaging, I can't even do the math. I mean, you're doing 5 or 6 convictions a year. I mean, you are out of control, and you are going to do this program, or you are going to sit in Wayne County Jail for 93 days, period. We're gonna work on something for the cat.
I don't need that. I can do it myself.
Okay, well, you can't
Can somebody just come stay with me? Can't they just
Who
come with
am
me?
I gonna pay?
I don't
to
know,
stay
but I
in a
need
hotel with
time.
you?
Can't they just supervise my
Sarah?
life and see that I'm
No,
okay?
no, absolutely not. You're to appear in court as directed. You're not to leave the state without permission of the court. You're not to commit any new crimes while released. You're to immediately notify the court of any change of address or phone number. You're not to purchase or consume alcohol or illegal drugs. Sandy, how many meetings are at your house on a weekly basis?
She will be attending at least 4, and then 2 days a week of women's groups. And then we're asking that she doesn't give anybody our address or location.
Can't do that.
Great. So I'm living somewhere where I've never been, and I don't have any idea where I'm going, and nobody will know where I'm at. I just got my family back in my life.
Do you want us to contact your family? Do you want to take time with Kara to let them know? You were at a house that is a safe location, and we have to keep everyone
My
there
dad can't
safe.
come and see me. I can't see
It's
him.
not that your dad can't eventually come and see you, JC.
Well,
Let's
I'd
get
be
you
there.
stable.
I don't like it.
Let's get you stable. I don't know. Maybe 6 months?
Seriously?
Maybe a month?
Man, I got my hotel, my stuff, everything, please.
Well, Sandy's gonna help you get your stuff.
Please don't do this to me. I'm trying to get a damn doctor that works with like PTSD and the deeper stuff that's been happening in my brain. I
You're
don't
gonna
need
get
to be at someone's house.
She needs to go to D1 or sign up for treatment and get an intake, and I need you to call over to whoever, Hydera, the guidance center. You tell her she is in extreme crisis and we need her intake ASAP, tomorrow. She needs to be seen tomorrow or Friday for an intake. We're gonna get you over there. She needs to see a psychiatrist, she needs to see a therapist, but her intake has.
Torn away from where I'm at, though.
You're living
doing
at
more
a
damage
hotel.
to me by taking me away from my home.
Yes, I'm gonna save
It
your
is
life.
my home, it's not just
It
a
is not your
hotel.
home,
I
it is a
live there. I
hotel.
live there, ma'am. I've been living in hotels for 3 years because it's comfortable. I feel safe there.
Can't
I
operate a
established
motor vehicle
life
without a
there.
valid license. She cannot,
I need help with housing. Food.
We're gonna get you
stuff
all
like
that,
but
all that.
I don't want to be at a stranger's house being told I can't do it on my own. I can do this by myself.
no, you can't, you can't.
I need your assistance. I don't.
I'm gonna
need
give it to
take
you.
over.
But listen to me.
I can't be at someone's house for 6. Like, man.
I don't know how long you're going for, JC. I don't know, but I know you're going now. I know that. And you're coming here tomorrow morning to get on your GPS tether, period.
I'm not a play risk.
Not provide.
Do whatever you want. I can't
okay.
leave my home.
Okay, cannot provide address. To any third parties. I am going to allow, Ms. Carnes, I'm going to allow her to provide the address to her attorney.
Absolutely. And then she can use the shelter address for everybody else. But she did hand a key over to the guy that hit her.
Oh, he was there?
Yeah, he was there. I didn't
He
know.
brought money for the hotel, I asked.
So she did give him the key, so there's no more hotel as far as I'm concerned at all. The GPS, if he tracks her going there without
He's
us,
not a
without the
dangerous
support
man.
team, then
He's
it's
friend
over for
enough.
us. Because we're not, she can't go there. He's there. I didn't know.
He's not there, he's just there to take care of
And
it.
he reached out to us, and we're not doing anything.
If
He's
we-
not gonna be there.
The only issue I have is if she has all of her personal possessions there.
Once you figure out the GPS figures out, she said she has a storage unit, but it's in his name, we need that on
I
his
only gave
name.
him the
in
key
her
to
name.
take care of the
Then
cat.
she can put whatever she wants in her
He's not
storage
allowed
unit.
there.
But he's not gonna rob her of her stuff either,
He's
right,
not allowed
Casey?
there.
Okay,
Well,
So I'm
you can keep
concerned
the
that
key,
something's
that's
gonna
it.
happen.
okay, so we're gonna figure out some of this
If they find
tomorrow.
out that he's there, they're gonna kick me out and I'm not there. All my stuff's gonna go on the.
Then why'd you give him the key,
So he can
girl?
go feed the cat after work.
All right,
He's
can I
gotta work.
provide address of
I don't have
Sanford
nobody
House
else.
to any third parties except for attorney? DWIN to call when she's here tomorrow. Sandy, we got it, she is in crisis.
Absolutely, she's lovely.
I don't wanna be with someone else.
She's lovely. And then I can bring her in the morning and you guys can figure that out and we'll pick her up whenever you call and say she's ready to go. And then whatever she needs, we'll help her with.
Okay. And then we're gonna have, so tomorrow she'll come in, Tara. We're gonna do DWIN in the morning. You can call and make sure they get her in ASAP, and we're going to get the tether company here. And if you can contact Sandy directly, Sandy will get her here.
You're putting me on the tether, why can't I go home?
You're going on GPS tether, because I'm tethering you to Sandy's house.
Can you put me on house arrest or something, please? I'm just scared about people, I've had so much shit happen to me, I'm sorry.
The guy, the one,
Scared to be around
listen,
anybody.
J.C. Owens.
He's not
the one-
allowed there, man.
Okay, the one person you're not afraid of, who you literally just told me is not going to hurt you and is not a danger, is the guy that beat the living crap out of you yesterday, and you have bruises all over
I
your
told him to
face.
bring me my-
You showed Kara pictures.
Seriously.
It is absolutely shocking what
He showed
happened.
up to drop off money for the room.
That's my order. That's my ruling.
He's not allowed on the property, you know.
He was
Gave him the
there.
key.
He was there when you were there, Sandy?
I just called it. He just showed up to give me the money for the room, and I gave him the key to take care of the cat, so I didn't know if he'd be home or not.
All right.
But he's not allowed there, so anything could happen to my cat, everything.
We're gonna get the cat situation figured
I
out
just
quick.
wanna go home.
You're going
I'll
home.
go to a different hotel, I don't care, just please don't make me stay with other people.
No, you're going home. You're going home with Sandy.
Man, this is gonna ruin me. It's gonna
Only
help me.
if you
It's not gonna help.
refuse to
I
take
just
it.
need a doctor.
You are not manipulating me.
I'm not.
I'm
need a
not- I am
doctor.
getting you a
I need
doctor.
somebody to go in my mind, not take me away from everything that I'm saving.
We're getting you to a doctor by the end of the week. We are making all kinds of phone calls and calling in all kinds of numbers to all kinds of agencies to get you in ASAP.
Then put
So-
me on house arrest.
I did.
At the hotel that I'm at.
Okay.
Please, I can't lose everything again.
Go,
Going with her, but can I go home tomorrow?
no, I'll see you in the morning.
I don't wanna lose everything, man.
I know, we're gonna get your stuff. Don't worry. We're gonna figure out a plan.
It's not fair.
Call downstairs and just make sure they know. She's only gonna leave us there.